Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Depression is when you have lots of love, but no one is taking. Frustration, discouragement, and depression mean you are working against yourself. Before any great achievement, some measure of depression is very usual. Where there is lack of rest, there is an abundance of stress. Depression is something that makes you lose your sight. Depression is inertia. Depression is merely anger without enthusiasm. Depression is rage spread thin. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Habits of pessimism lead to depression, wither achievement, and undermine physical health. The good news is that pessimism can be unlearned, and that with its removal, depression, underachievement, and poor health can be alleviated. Just like other illnesses, depression can be treated so that people can live happy, active lives. The worst forms of depression are cured when Holy Scripture is believed. Noble deeds and hot baths are the best cures for depression. Good humor is a tonic for mind and body. It is the best antidote for anxiety and depression. It is a business asset. It attracts and keeps friends. It lightens human burdens. It is the direct route to serenity and contentment. In my experience, the best way to beat depression is to get involved in something inspiring. We are all spirits. We get depressed, but music makes you want to live. I know my music has saved my life. Art saved me. It got me through my depression and self-loathing, back to a place of innocence. Crying is one of the highest devotional songs. One who knows crying knows spiritual practice. If you can cry with a pure heart, nothing else compares to such a prayer. Crying includes all the principles of yoga. You largely constructed your depression It was not given to you. Therefore, you can deconstruct it. There is a crack in everything. That is how the light gets in. Just remember that the darkest night did not turn out all the stars. It is hard to be a friend to someone who is depressed, but it is one of the kindest, noblest, and best things you will ever do. Hope you liked the contents. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead.